Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to become a vampire in Bitlife. So let's start. How you can become a vampire in Bitlife? Well, here is the answer. To become a vampire in Bitlife, you need to find a vampire and then buy two. Start by hanging out in the nightclubs or going to the gym often until you randomly encounter one. Good luck and remember to avoid garlic. So that is how you can do it. Now you can go to nightclubs or go to the gym. Remember that the vampires appear at night, so you have to be concerned about it. There are more answers. Well, it depends if you want to be a vampire in what life. So this is the answer I can find better. So if you want to do it, try to do it going in the gym at night or nightclubs and try to find a vampire that bite you. Well guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.